Welcome back to Everything House. My name is Marco. Today we're going to be talking about the multi-tool. Okay, what I have is I have a Milwaukee multi-tool. Okay, this is by far one of my favorite tools I own. Period, hands down. Can do what a lot of other tools cannot. Okay, especially when it comes to plunge cuts. Okay, it can do plunge cuts. It can do some sanding. It can get into tight little corners. What all other cutting tools, one of the issues they have is when they go to cut something, okay, they have to start outside the cut, okay, and then go ahead and pass through it, right? And it needs, say, a reciprocating saw needs to start outside the cut and then go ahead and make the cut, right? So you need all this clearance for the saw blade to work its way through. Circular saw, same thing. It needs to start outside of whatever you're trying to cut, spin up, and then go ahead and make the cut through. All right, and you need some space on the back side of it. You need clearance. With a multi-tool, you don't need any clearance. Basically, think of it as like a lightsaber. All right, wherever you stick this end is where it's going in, and you need no clearance for it. Say you're putting in drywall, and you need to cut out an outlet, okay, to go ahead and get the drywall in. Same thing. Pick the multi-tool. Go ahead and this thing goes through drywall like air. Like it's not even there. It'll go right through, and you can cut it out, and you're good to go. If you're trying to troubleshoot something, all right, usually you can find a way to fix it with the multi-tool. It's just that versatile. Now, I wouldn't cut 2x4s with it. Like if you're trying to frame and you're trying to, cut wood, it's not efficient, right? But in situations where you're like, how am I going to cut that? What tool do I have? 9 times out of 10, the multi-tool can do it. You can figure out a way to do it with it. What about PVC or anything like that? As long as you have the right blade, multi-tool can pretty much cut it. The only thing I would not even attempt is like masonry, concrete, anything like that. With a metal blade, it can cut through rebar. It can cut through pretty much anything you want it to, as long as you have the right blades for it. It's just not necessarily going to be efficient. It's more of like a tight situation, something where you can't get a big tool in, so you need to go ahead and get something else in. That would be the multi-tool. That's where it shines. Anyway, I love the thing. I promise you, if you get one, you'll love it too. It's wonderful. Yeah, so like, comment. That would be awesome. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video, guys.